For demonstration purposes in this program, machines are sometimes shown operating without safety shields in place. In normal use, machines must never be operated with shields removed or modified, and safety mechanisms must never be defeated. Spartanics products are engineered for operator safety and meet or exceed OSHA requirements. Today, manufacturers are under greater pressure than ever to increase productivity and reduce costs, while at the same time increase the quality of their products. While these pressures exist throughout industry, for manufacturers of folding cartons, cards, labels, membrane switches, flex circuits, screen-printed parts, and other die-cut products, there is a solution. The M500 decorated materials blanking and die-cutting systems from Spartanics, enabling you to have the flexibility to meet the demands of your business today as well as in the years to come. Spartanics has engineered a total sheet-to-part and coil-to-part steel rule die-cutting system that delivers benefits such as quick die changes and quick die setups. Are outstanding benefits when using steel rule dies. They allow you to run long or short jobs with one system, giving you the ability to expand into new markets. The dies are keyed to allow installation in only the correct location, reducing setup time and total production costs. Reduced die cost, as steel rule dies are less expensive, allowing for short-run jobs to be produced at reasonable costs. High-speed production, giving high-volume throughput at production rates up to 150 press strokes per minute. Consistent accuracy. The optical sensing system offers precision registration in X, XY, or XY and theta axes. Lower cost production. By the elimination of repetitive hand labor, helping your bottom line. Minimal parts rejects. With automatic detection of defective registration marks that would cause defective parts to be blanked, thereby increasing productivity. Customer flexibility. With custom-designed systems for compatibility with existing customer artwork. Ease of use. Operator-friendly control panel guides the operator through each step of the setup cycle and provides constant feedback. Reduced downtime. With modular construction, Spartanics offers the availability of off-the-shelf modules that can be installed to replace modules while being repaired. This allows modules to be repaired without causing continued downtime on the blanking system. Excellent service, providing on-site training and installation. The M500 can be configured in several ways to deliver material into the feed at press blanking speeds up to 150 strokes per minute with minimal handling of the material. For sheet feeding, you have the choice of a strip starter that automatically picks up and positions strips of material in the optical registration feed, or the auto cutter that can accommodate full-size sheets of material up to 18 inches high or 600 pounds on a stacking station. It will read registration marks on the sheets, shear them to the required strip size, and then deliver each strip into the feed. Coil material can be configured to run in line with a roll laminator, printer, or UV coater. Not all jobs have the same requirements and tolerances, so Spartanics offers 3 levels of correction on its registration feeds. The application will determine your selection. Regardless of the option needed, the optical sensing components locate printed registration marks swiftly and adjust the position of the material for every stroke of the press, correcting for printing, laminating, or shearing errors. As material passes underneath the sensors, the registration marks are detected. The x-axis, which is the direction that material moves through the press, is corrected using the straight mark. The y-axis is corrected using the 45-degree mark. The M500 uses the center of the lines that comprise these marks for more precise correction. As material becomes wider, rotation, or theta axis, correction becomes important. The Spartanics Tri-Ax 334 features X, Y, and theta correction. Using two sets of registration marks, the software compares the actual position of the material to the ideal position. The nip rollers grip the material and advance it into the press as all the necessary corrections are made. This happens simultaneously on each and every stroke, so there is no accumulated registration error. It's important to note that the feed makes all the corrections while moving the material independently of the die. The dies do not move to create proper registration positioning. This system provides plus or minus 5/1000th of an inch registration or better. For material over 20 inches wide, Spartanics offers the Duplex Tri-Ax feed. The Duplex Tri-Ax features the same X, Y, and theta axes correction while gripping both edges of the material. To control and monitor the Tri-Ax feeds, the M500 has an advanced color computer touchscreen. The screen is multilingual and converts between metric and inches as needed. This touchscreen provides visual feedback to the operator while automatically detecting any defective parts. In addition, the Tri-Ax feeds provide storage for up to 30 jobs and include a disk drive for fast recall and setup for any number of jobs. With faster setup and increased accuracy, this means less waste of time and materials and greater productivity. Because Spartanics feeds feature nip rollers, which grip only the material edges, raised shapes, such as membrane switches, can be fed and finished, increasing versatility and market opportunities. As the accuracy of steel rule dies improved, applications greatly expanded. Spartanics offers a superior steel rule die cutting system for applications that range from low to high volumes and include products such as cards, folding cartons, labels, flex circuits, membrane switches, and much more. The dies are keyed to allow installation in only the correct location. Superior parallelism of the actual die cutting mechanisms yields extremely uniform cutting depths. In operation, the die cutting system creates excellent through cuts, kiss cuts, scoring, creasing, and embossing. The system has been designed to allow for quick die changes so that long or short run jobs can be produced with one system. To make the M500 even more versatile, it can be converted back and forth between hard tooling and steel rule dies. The muscle of the Spartanics decorated material die cutting system is a high-speed mechanical press using rigid castings for low maintenance, cleanliness, stroke consistency, reliability, and long life. The press can run open, which gives you a high production rate and reduces press wear and tear. This proven design is available in tonnage ratings of 5 to 100 tons as required by the customer application. Extraction and collection of parts is designed to be an integral part of the finishing operation. Many times, steel rule die cut parts will remain on the sheet or in the web after they exit the press. For parts that must be removed, Spartanics offers several methods of finishing. Air cylinder knockouts that extract and stack parts after they have been die cut. For coil operations, parts can be extracted and neatly shingled on a conveyor while the scrap web is re-rolled. Parts can also remain in sheets that are collected for part extraction at a later time. The M500 steel rule die systems are designed for superior function with a variety of materials. Metals, plastics, and papers can be processed in thickness ranges from 5/1000ths to 60/1000ths of an inch in coils and 7/1000ths to 60/1000ths of an inch in sheets. Material widths can be from 3/4 of an inch to 30 inches. We welcome you to bring us your most challenging applications. Coil-fed systems may run thousands of feet. Standard minimal material length is 12 inches, while maximum length depends on the sheet starter. The Spartanics M500 decorated material die cutting system with steel rule die uses the latest technology combined with the simplicity of a proven design to produce a high-quality product for many applications, such as stencils, luggage tags, ballots, VCR boxes, rulers, membrane switches, instrument panels, nameplates, flex circuits, and more. Standing behind this system is the Spartanics Service Organization, who have an excellent reputation for supporting its customers by providing quick, responsive technical support. Corporate offices are in Rolling Meadows, Illinois, in the northwest suburbs of Chicago. Near O'Hare Airport, this location is ideal for fast shipment anywhere in the world. There is also a sales and service location in Europe and a demonstration center near London, England. The system is CE certified for shipping to Europe. Our sales managers and R&D engineers invite customer application ideas. Together, they can assist with production rate calculations and design assistance to customize a system for each individual application. Spartanics support continues just as attentively after the sale with a 3-day in-plant training session at Spartanics corporate office and a 5-day on-site installation period to get production off to a running start. Well-trained technical service technicians are available for phone support as well as field repairs. Off-the-shelf loaner modules and in-stock replacement parts are available for overnight shipment to keep systems operating with minimal downtime and to reduce the need to stock expensive spare parts. Since 1961, Spartanics has specialized in the engineering, manufacturing, and marketing of automated equipment, using sophisticated electro-optical technology to increase accuracy, efficiency, and security in processing and control of decorated sheet and coil materials. Spartanics has invested over a decade in the design, engineering, and manufacturing of the M500 decorated material blanking and die cutting system, with the goal of offering our customers the benefits of increased productivity, reduced cost, and making them competitive today and into the future.